Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery. Result 1 year post-op with before and after photo. This patient has a full set of hair. I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before. Very simple. And that's his thinning from the front to the right. He's class 4 or 5 hair loss pattern. And now, full density before, now, before, now. And this is where he is now. And I'm going to have the patient look down. You can see that. That's full set of hair right here. Okay. And we even comb the hair down. Wait, hold on. Comb the hair down for you. Excellent density and volume. One-time surgery, over 5,000 grafts. And look down again. There. Before. Now. And this is close-up zooming. Okay. And now, I'm gonna have him look up straight up. And you see. Excellent result. Very natural, very dense. And we comb it down for you. I'm going to have a hard time combing his hair. But it's not just a surgical skill of the surgeon that give you excellent density and coverage, but it's the whole artistry behind it and make sure it's natural. And that's where he is now. Turn to the right. Turn to the left. And I'm going to show the audience. Before, after, before, after, right hand side, right hand side. See excellent volume and density. Left hand side, ball from front all the way to the back. Left hand side, top view. I'm extremely happy with the result. And this is always real hair. Thank you.